This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. There's a major snowstorm is headed towards Indiana on Sunday, February the 1st, 2015. It's going to bring up to 20 to 30 centimeters of snow. It's going to bring a lot of snow. It's going to be a ton of snow. In the state of Indiana, it's going to be lots of snow, especially in Indianapolis, Indiana. It's going to be a lot of snow. It's going to be some blowing and drifting snow. In the state of Indiana, it's going to bring lots of snow. Roads will be snow covered. Same with streets, highways, and interstate highways will be snow covered as well. It's going to bring a lot of snow. It's going to be windy conditions. It's going to be ton of snow in the state of Indiana, especially in Indianapolis, Indiana as well. It's going to bring ton of snow, blowing and drifting snow. And could be some reduced visibilities and roads could be very bad. Once the snowstorm is over, the air is going to turn brutal cold in the state of Indiana as well. It's going to bring lots of snow. Since a low pressure system is going to track south of Indiana as well. It's going to bring lots of snow. It's going to be windy conditions as well. People in Indiana, be prepared. Have your winter boots ready, have your winter jackets ready. Hats, and gloves, and scarf, and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Have your iPads charged. Have your iPods charged. Have your cell phones charged. Have your laptops charged. Have your tablets charged. Have your 3G, 4G ready. Because it's going to be a lot of snow in the state of Indiana. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car, slow down, so you don't get in car accidents. When you go for a walk, be very careful, so you don't slip and fall in the state of Indiana. It's going to be lots of snow. It's going up to 20 to 30 centimeters of snow in the state of Indiana, especially Indianapolis, Indiana as well. It's going to bring a lot of snow, especially Indiana as well. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to keep you warm. Make sure to have your shovels ready, snow scoops ready, snow blowers ready, snow plows ready, and salt trucks ready as well. Because it's going to be lots of snow in the state of Indiana, especially Indianapolis, Indiana as well. Make sure to turn on your furnaces to keep the house warm. Wear your winter gear when you go outside in the state of Indiana as well. If anybody lives in Indiana, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday, February 1st, 2015. Best luck to you. People in Indiana, be prepared for a major snowstorm on Sunday, February 1st, 2015. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a major snowstorm. Stay warm, be safe.